This is my AC unit. I haven't cleaned it in years. You're supposed to do this every year because when they get clogged, they lose performance and will chew up your electricity. So today I'm going to show you how I usually clean mine when I actually remember to do it. So we're going to be using water to clean this, so we want to turn off the power. Now luckily my AC uses all the same screw head. I think it's a hex or something, but I'm going to start by loosening the top so that I can lift the fan. This is going to let me reach in afterwards with the hose when I'm trying to rinse it out. Once that's loose, I'm just going to work my way around pulling off all the doors. Pretty straightforward. And this is exactly what you don't want to see. So that stuff creates kind of like a mat over the cooling fins, and it traps in heat and will stop your AC from working properly. And it's also going to chew up a lot more hydro too. And that's why you're supposed to do this every year. Now I had totally forgot to do this, but I'm noticing now, especially because we're in the middle of a heat wave while I'm recording this. So because this thing is so dirty, I'm going to start off with a quick vacuum because I'm pretty sure the water's not going to get through this thick layer of dust on its own. You want to be careful not to damage the fins. They're super delicate. Even light pressure can bend them. They're the exact same as like a car radiator. There's definitely a tool you can get. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's like a fin brush or something, and it can help you straighten out the fins if they get bent, if need be. But I just go slow with the vacuum to avoid bending anything. One thing also that you want to watch for is the side panels sometimes rest on these little black clips at the top and the bottom. And I accidentally vacuumed one of them up when I was doing this, and I ended up having to fish it out. So just a heads up. So this is what it looks like after the first pass with the vacuum. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it from the inside out. And that's a really important thing because you want to push the dirt out through the fins, not deeper in. So just work your way around slowly until the water runs clear and you've got good flow. And when you do, eventually you're going to have to do some rinsing on the outsides. Just try always to make sure you're spraying downwards or sideways, again, so you're not forcing any debris deeper inside. You'll notice that the corners always get caked up. So you got to take your time, and definitely don't use a pressure washer. Just the hose, because too much pressure will bend those fins out really fast. So once you're happy with how it looks, you can go ahead and put the sides back on. Mine went on pretty easy. One side has kind of the bent-in tabs, but it's all very self-explanatory. This whole process is definitely not something you need to call anyone to do. Like, this is a total DIY thing. The hardest part, honestly, is just remembering to do it every year. Hopefully, once I turn the power back on, I'll see a difference. The house hasn't really been holding the temperature as well as it usually does. Of course, it is a heat wave, but I'm pretty sure that this buildup on the AC unit is the main reason why. Gave it one more quick rinse just to give it a clean up on the outside. And then I'm going to fire it up and it's runs smooth. I don't know if it's psychological, but I feel like it sounds a lot better too. So I'm happy with that I remember to get this done. But if you found it helpful, don't forget, like and subscribe. I got more awesome, handy homeowner content coming your way, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.